Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we make your purchasing decisions as easy as a robot vacuuming your floor. Today, we're pitting two titans of the automated cleaning world against each other, the Tikom L9000 robot vacuum and the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's dive in and see which one of these robo-cleaners will suck up the competition. Literally. First up, let's talk about price. The Tikom L9000 comes in at a wallet-friendly $249. Now, that's like finding a $20 bill in your laundry. On the other hand, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo is priced at $267. That's a couple of extra bucks. Maybe that's for the fancy name, or perhaps it's just a tax for having a cooler design. When it comes to navigation, the Tikom L9000 boasts 360 degrees LiDAR navigation. It's like the Sherlock Holmes of robot vacuums, always knows where it's been, where it is, and where it's going. It can even save up to 5 maps. Meanwhile, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo has a 360 degrees sensor array. Think of it as the ninja of vacuums, sleek, stealthy, and always avoiding obstacles. But no LiDAR here, folks. Suction power. Tikom L9000 flexes with a whopping 4,000 Pascal suction. It's like the bodybuilder of vacuums, ready to lift all the dirt and crumbs in its path. Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo, on the other hand, has a tangle-free large suction nozzle. It's more like the yoga instructor. Flexible, smooth, but maybe not as brawny. Battery life is where things get spicy. The Tikom L9000 can run up to 150 minutes in quiet mode. That's enough time to watch a whole movie trilogy while your floors get cleaned. The Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo, though, only goes for 100 minutes. Still impressive, but you might need to watch a shorter movie. Maybe something with a happy ending, like a clean floor. Both of these vacuums are smart, like really smart. Tikom L9000 connects to the Tuya Smart app and can be controlled by Alexa and Google Home. You can basically tell it to clean while you sip your latte and pretend you're a tech wizard. Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo also has the Tuya app and voice control. But it adds Bluetooth to the mix, because why not? More connectivity, more fun. Tikom L9000 has 14 no-go zones. That's like having an overprotective parent making sure you don't step on the carpet with your dirty shoes. Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo has 3D precision obstacle avoidance. It's like a ninja, dodging every piece of furniture and obstacle with grace. Reviewers praise the Tikom L9000 for its powerful suction, efficient navigation, and excellent mopping function. It's particularly noted for its ease of use and effectiveness in homes with pets. On the other hand, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo is lauded for its ease of setup, quiet operation, and ability to clean both carpet and hard floors efficiently. It gets high marks for its intelligent navigation and convenience features like app control and scheduling. So there you have it, folks. The Tikom L9000 and Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo both bring their A game, but each has its quirks. Whether you want the powerful suction and longer battery life of the Tikom or the sleek design and extra connectivity of the Kilgone, the choice is yours. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart comparisons. Until next time, keep buying smart and living smarter. Bye! Product links are in the description.